as a goodwill gesture of Bangladeshi and Pakistani people and journalists. So that's the way I came here.
Pakistani media is very vibrant as well as playing a very critical and important role in building your democracy system as well as your development. It is so important, and it is fascinating to me.
So if our reporters connects the general people, cross-border reporting or the information is passed on, I think that we can work together, and it's very significant.
It's very good setup, and you have a lot of experienced journalists is here that make me astonishing that their caliber is world level. It make me very happy.
People in Bangladesh and Pakistan are very much connected in its heart, in their heart.